In this video, I am going to show you the best IoT courses you can enroll for free offered by prestigious institutes like IITs, IIMs and IIScs. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. What if I told you there is a way to get world-class IoT education completely free with certification from India's top technical institutions? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm excited to share something that could literally change your career trajectory. We'll be diving deep into NPTEL Swayam's IoT certification programs. To give a brief about this portal, NPTEL Swayam is India's largest education initiative powered by IITs and leading technical institutions like IIMs and IIScs. You can think of it as having India's best professors teaching you right from your home. In the previous video, I have explained you what is NPTEL Swayam portal and how to register to their courses. If you are new to NPTEL, then I recommend you to watch the previous video from the link on the top right corner or in the description below. In this video, I am going to focus on 3 best courses for IoT enthusiasts to enroll into. First, I'll be talking about the beginners course. The beginners courses are the 3 as shown below. Introduction to Internet of Things, Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial IoT. The third one is IoT Design Concepts and Use Cases. I'll go through details of each of them once I finish explaining the course names. And here, for the advanced learners, the Foundation of IoT Edge ML and Edge Computing are the courses that I would recommend. Now let's deep dive into these courses and see what these courses offer for you. So first thing that you need to do is log into swayam.gov.in and click on all courses. Then search for Internet of Things. Now, when you search for Internet of Things, you will be offered 3 courses that are currently open for enrollment. So here, the first one is Introduction to IoT. So if you look into this course, you will be having details like how many weeks this course will be there and credit points that you can get and when is the start date, end date and exam if you want to write, when is the exam date and last date for exam registration. And here, what is the course about? In this course, you will learn the basics of complete IoT, sensing, actuation, networking part. So here, the communication protocols as well as the sensor networks. You will also learn about basic Python programming, Raspberry Pi, and also you will learn about cloud computing, fog computing, and then the use cases like connected vehicles, case studies like agriculture, healthcare and activity monitoring. So if you are new to IoT and want to get into IoT, then this course is the best. Now comes to the next course is Industry 4.0 and Industrial IoT. If you are not only interested in just IoT, but you want to get into Industrial IoT and also in the manufacturing sector like Industry 4.0, then you can get into this course. This course is for 12 weeks again, and the start date, end date and the exam registration date is similar to that. Now you can see this course is talking about, first it will give you basics of sensing, actuation, communication as well as networking. Next it will talk about Industry 4.0, what is the lean production systems, etc. And the concepts like collaborative platform and product lifecycle management, augmented reality, virtual reality, etc. It also talks about cybersecurity, industrial IoT and business model and reference architecture. And again, it talks about the basics of sensing, processing, communication part, and same way here as well. And finally, it will also talk about big data analytics and machine learning, data science, and some programming knowledge like R and Julia. Later it talks about software defined networking, fog computing, cloud computing, and also some of the applications with various domains like factories, assembly lines, food industry, etc. And it continues with multiple domains as well, like healthcare, inventory management, quality, etc. In the final week, you also talk about various case studies like milk processing and packaging, manufacturing industries, and then student projects and some other labs that you are going to learn. So this course is best for who wants to get into Industry 4.0 and wants to get into manufacturing domain for learning industrial IoT. And there is another course called Design Concepts and Use Cases of IoT. So in this course, you will learn the basics of Arduino and how to use Arduino IDE, how do we interface sensors, for example, LED, switches, potentiometers, buzzer, etc. LCD interfacing, DHT11 temperature monitoring, gas sensor, water level, all the practical stuff you want to do can be found in this course. Now coming to the advanced course, so you can search for IoT and then you will find Cloud IoT Edge ML. So this is a course called Foundation of Cloud IoT Edge ML. So this talks about cloud computing as well as edge computing. In this course, it will talk about what are the limitations of cloud for low latency use cases and why do we need edge computing to support different applications such as self-driving car, etc. And it also talks about various platforms such as IoT Hub, that is Azure IoT Hub, AWS IoT platform. It also talks about the basics of Docker container and Kubernetes in edge computing. So that is the reason why I said this is for advanced learners who already know the basics of IoT and then wants to learn and gear up with Docker, Kubernetes and edge computing. Then it will also talk about the Kafka, MQTT as well as some use cases. So this is one of the best course I have seen. So you can learn more into practical things and job ready course which is like this. And similar to this course is edge computing. So search for edge computing. The same instructor has designed this course and some of the topics are similar and some of them are different, but you can look into this and learn more about edge computing using this course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll to one of these courses immediately to embark into IoT learning journey. That's all for today's video. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another interesting video.